Today we are going to talk about how to make our program interactive. So far our programs only display output using print function, but real program must receive information from users. That is where input function comes in. So input functions allow the user to enter data into program. For example, if you want to outside world or someone from outside world to insert a data into your own program, we use what input function. For example, now I have a name which is equals to input, enter your name. So this one is going to ask the user to enter his name. So and let's run the program and see what we are going to have at the end. So here we see we have what enter your name. So let's write the name to be the former name we'll be using. So you see now it accepts the name as John and it print out the name as also John. So the first line of output here is what we call what the input function, because we put it in display here in a quotation. It says what here we said it says enter your name. So we use the print function now here to print out the variable which is name, which is assigned to name. So this is how you can accept data, and also when you accept it you can print it as well. So important rule for this input function is that even if the user type a number, will accept that one as a string. Even if we come here now and says okay, now let's know the type of data we have here first, so that we can, so this is type. Let's print out and see which type of data we have there. See now the code is asking me enter your name, so let me enter the name John and see what we are going to have. So it's accept the name, but in this time around we do not ask the Python to print out the name. We ask Python to print out the data type. So it is printed out as what, as class str. Even though this is a class str, so let's use this on another example. It's assigned to input enter your age. So in this time around we are going to put a number as the age. So let's see what we are going to have at it out. You see now is class str, even though we know number is not an str, is an integer. So this one is an integer, it's not a str, but the more you put it inside using input function to the Python will just accept it and read it out as str, which is a string. So now even if you are going to use this data, you need to convert it back to string so that you can use it. For example, now if you say you want to add numbers that are integers, if I want to add this number now using if I want to add it now, for example, I just want to add to this 25 by another 5, it is not going to work because Python will just bring out an error message, so saying that you cannot add what string to an integer. So in this case you need to convert this one back to uh, integer, then you can add it up with another integer. So but let's print out this one. Let's print out the name. So you see it print out the age 25 and the str, that is class str. This is what we are asked it to print out the name, and this is how I ask it to tell me the type of data I am having there. So that is that. And why does this matter? I already explained that you cannot add this age with another number again without converting it. So let's use a print function. Print, okay, age plus 5, it will as it is in the example we share in the group. So let's print it out and see. You see, exception has occurred, cannot can only concatenate str not integer to str. You cannot concatenate integer to str. That is, cannot add up a number and integers, which is what numbers, and the only way you can do this, I told you, is by converting this age now. But there, integer. Okay, let me close this bracket here also, and let me come and remove this. Oh, sorry, age. So let me print out and see what we are going to have as an output. So this one asks me to enter the age. Let me say 25. So you see now the class is integer. Still it is an integer now, because I change it back from from the string. I said this age that I am assigning to whatever is this is an integer. So Python will take it now as an integer and not a string, not a str string. So print now here, I ask it to print it. So this is how it printed. And I ask it to print the type, then it print the type, and I ask to concatenate it. Don't worry, you understand that word later. You understand that with print 8 plus 5. Now I can do this addition, because from here I already converted from str to an integer. So let's get to the type conversion. Okay, I already convert this one, so I think I already did that. I can convert this one to another, so you can try that one as well and see. And also we have type conversion, whether we can change str to integer, we can change integer to a float, we can change also integer, float, or str to boolean, using all int function and float function and str and a bool. So that one is also possible, and this is how they look like. We can convert a whole number. This one also you can convert a decimal number. This one you can convert to str. This one you can convert to true or false. So these are the set of type conversion we are having for now. So let's see a full example program. Enter your name, which is John. So enter your age, which is 25, for example. So hello John, you are 25 years old. So this is how you can do all this. If you have any question or anything that you don't understand, so feel free to drop it in the group, so that we can discuss about it.